Hey everyone, it sounded like from the feedback that I got that the little YouTube video is kind of helpful. So I thought I would do another installment. What we're going to be doing over the next few weeks, while we're doing long division as we move into fractions, is we're going to be reviewing multiplication by creating a multiplication chart. When we take the STAR exam, you're going to be given a sheet of graph paper, and on that graph paper you can do whatever you want to. So what I'm going to suggest is that when you first get your test booklet, that you take out your graph paper and you create your multiplication chart. That chart then can be used by you throughout the entire test. So if you have multiplication or if you have division, you've got all of your facts right there at your fingertips for you to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to line up your paper in the upper left hand corner. And you're not going to use all of the graph paper. You're only going to use a small portion of it. Just like we've created in class. You're going to create a grid, and you're going to move, you're going to put an X in the upper left-hand corner. That means times, to remind you to multiply. And you're going to run a row from 1 to 12 across the top, and a column of 1 to 12 down the left-hand side. And then it works very easily, X times Y. So basically you're going to be multiplying the top times the side. Now when you do this, the first thing that you should do are the facts that you know right off the bat. Really super simple. So for example, if I was going to do this chart, I would come right here in my ones and I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Look at that. I banged out the ones column really fast. Now remember, the columns and the rows will also match up. So when you do this, you can also do your row going across because the same thing occurs. 1 times 1 is 1, then 1 times 2 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Look at that. A row and a column completely finished. The next thing I would do is probably my 2's because I can count by 2's super fast. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And then again, same thing going across. And now look, I've already have the 2 and the 4 started on that row of 2's. Okay, so right there, so it's 2, 4, and then you're going to finish that off. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. After my 2's, I'd probably jump to 5's, 10's, and then 11's. So I'm going to do the same steps right here. I've already started 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Same thing going across. 5, 10, you can't see that very well. 5, 10, 15, 20, there's 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Alright, look at that. Super simple. Next, I'm going to fill in my 10's. 10, 20, 30, 40. I already have 50 there. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. Same thing going across. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There's 100, 110, and 120. Alright, look at that. In just a couple of minutes, I have my chart almost complete. Then you're going to go in, like I said, I think 11's are pretty easy for everybody. So I'm 11, 22, 33, 44, there's 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, that's 110. Then we've got 11 times 11, which is 121. And then 11 times 12, which is 131. 132, sorry. Okay, so there's my 11's. Now I'm going to do the same thing across. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. There's 110, 121, 132. Alright, look at that. Super fast. I've only got about 6 columns and 6 more rows to go. Alright, so I'm going to come in here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I've already got 30, 33, and then all I have to do is finish off with 36. Going across, I've got 3, 6, 9, 12. Already got 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. There's 30, 33, and 36. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish off that chart. We're going to be doing this once a week. I know we started last week. We're going to finish off the chart that we created last week, and then probably every Wednesday we'll do it for like a little quiz kind of grade. Okay, so it shouldn't take you very long, and the more that you practice, the faster those facts will be, and you'll do awesome when we see those when we need those facts for multiplication and division. All right, so have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow in class.